So we've got our chimney removed. I'll be taking it off the roof here shortly. Claudio's getting the layer of self-adhered leak barrier put on. Got our decking replaced. This roof probably needs to be replaced, but the customers did not want to spend the money on it, which is understandable with everything that's going on, but this is a good solution and we'll definitely put these leak problems behind them. Claudio's going to put one layer down first, then tuck another layer at the top under the felt. It's a good idea to use leak barrier instead of underlayment when you do these kind of spot repairs. Just a little bit of cheap security. Everything's tucked under the shingles. So fairly poor roofing job, but we can't fix everything. Going to get this second layer tucked under that edge of felt and just get rid of these problem spots here. Try to save leftovers from larger jobs are perfect for these kind of jobs, adds to the profitability. And again, using leak barrier for spot repairs like this, it's cheap, effective, and there's a little added measure of security because you're putting a section of underlayment down instead of a run of it. It's just kind of common sense. A lot of failing roofs in this neighborhood. It's one of the historical neighborhoods in Macon. One next door needs a lot of help, but I'm not sure they're into getting a new roof right now either. They're just enough. So once we've got the leak barrier down, then we'll start weaving the shingles back in, get all our debris cleaned up, and these problems will be behind this homeowner. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.